We're back with new concerns about a key ingredient in common over-the-counter cold and allergy medicines.
The FDA says the ingredient's safe, but it just doesn't work. And now some of the most popular drugs could soon disappear from store shelves.
NBC News medical analyst Dr. Vin Gupta joins us now with more on this. Dr. Gupta, good morning. So just tell us more about this ingredient. What meds is it found in, and just what is the FDA saying about how effective it is?
Good morning to you both. This has been something that we've known for actually over 2 decades, Joe, is then a common ingredient called phenylephrine, which can be found in all types of branded medications, over-the-counter medications that are oral or even nasal sprays used to treat decongestion. So NyQuil, all forms of other cold and flu type symptom relief medications. These are the things. Sudafed PE is another one that is very common. Unfortunately, just phenylephrine does not work. It's been shown to be ineffective to treat decongestion or congestion-like symptoms. And frankly, we've known this since the early 2000s, and more trials have just confirmed this finding.
The trade group representing these popular drug makers are pushing back against pulling oral decongestants. They shared a survey, found half of American households use them over the last year. I'm actually surprised it's not more than that. I feel like we all have these. But what should we do if we already have these in our medicine cabinets? If we're hearing that it's not a safety issue, it's just a how well does it work issue, do we need to throw them out?
You don't. I mean, Savannah, I get this question a lot, too, is what do we do with this? We throw these medications out today. And the fact is that this medication is likely combined with other active ingredients like Tylenol, like dextromethorphan, a cough suppressant, and those still work. And so my recommendation is to keep these medications on hand, especially if, say, you have a fever during cold and flu season. It's still going to work to treat some of your symptoms. And to your point, there's no safety issue. However, if you're trying to get a new decongestion, or you're trying to be prepared for the next few months, look for a medication that has pseudoephedrine, not phenylephrine. So pseudoephedrine, commonly found in Sudafed, not phenylephrine, commonly found in Sudafed PE. It's very confusing, and it's over. If you have any questions, ask the pharmacist over the counter. But Sudafed, not Sudafed PE, that's going to be the medication that has the right decongestion.
There's a distinction here that's important to point out. The FDA specifically says it's the oral version of this decongestant that's ineffective. The nasal spray version works fine. Why does the same ingredient have different levels of effectiveness?
Yeah, Joe, this is, sort of shades of gray here. The oral version does not seem like it actually goes to the parts of our nose that can get congested as much as, say, the nasal spray version. So if you're spraying phenylephrine into your nose, enough of it gets there that it can actually help relieve some congestion-like symptoms. If you take it orally through any of these sort of cold and flu relief medication type combination formulations, it just doesn't get to the nose as effectively. Again, it's a nuanced thing. It can be confusing for patients. That's why it's important, again, if you're going to go into the pharmacy to get a new type of medication for symptom relief, pseudoephedrine, not phenylephrine. But yes, the nasal spray can work.
All right, Dr. Vin Gupta, thank you so much.
Thanks for watching. Stay updated about breaking news and top stories on the NBC News app, or follow us on social media.